came in the building like come and subs.
Hey, what kind of business you running today? What you want, my friend? Tell me what you want. 2 for 1. Alright, I'm going in.
Releasing dopamine.
Good morning! You do too much now, Rottweiler.
You brush your teeth?
Think like riverbed.
Wind down your window,
Wind it down, suspect running, them man about think like Sandy Gully. Good morning, everybody. Good day. Me and the beautiful ladies are on the road, as I was saying. We are going window shopping today. Yeah, I will look through windows. We got enough place. So no go on journey with me, as me promise. Me no know how I'm to him now. I'm Hilux, Hilux. Licky, not lick that one here. Don't lick that one here. Don't it. Yeah, so somehow we can't speak is spooky, as the moon said. But vlog where we here with the beautiful ladies. Miss Psynos up in the building. Oh my god, and the incredible Lago. The two of them incredibles. Yeah. Go straight. Broke it one way. Hold on. Are you right here, Aga? Oh yes. We don't know. Let's follow the road. Jesus.
Orange gone red.
Oh my god.
Crap, that's what they edit that.
They never hear that part. Don't worry yourself, man. Guys, we're there. So I go up on the road and we're going to create a bag of excitement. Journey with you. We're not going to see. We're going to turn up the vlog, alright? Yeah, let's go. Today is Cyber Monday, but me broke like dog. I'm rich. Tanamane. All of me have $20 in my pocket. Tanamane. I'm going to follow my friend and go take out green BMW. Oh, shucks. I said that on the live stream. Edit it out.
He needs some milk.
Follow my friend and go rent green BMW and then sell it back 1 month after, cause I'm gonna follow my rich friend. At time if you step out in a faith, if you just take out a house, don't manage nothing, just mortgage one house and just run out. Anything happen. I just wake up out of doing one bed like my other friend. Oh! Sorry, I called him a while ago. No, the other one. Next virgin. I just call you. I not edit out nothing.
I'm not there with you, you know?
You're never there with me. It's your imagination. We are all delusional. This vlog is not real, but it's real. Bye, I'm out. Yeah, vlog world.
I mean, nowadays there's a lot
Here
of
we are
different.
with the
When people hear the name,
first stop with the court.
for some reason, there's some negative
Yeah, man.
connotations to that name. But I want you to clarify. Because
With the courts, you know?
21 years
Just a walk up and down. See them? We are in courts.
Chopper, you know, I had that name
It's
over
not good, man. Here, I say I know about
I used
this.
to have a bus that flied
You know what I mean?
from
But yeah, man, we're there.
to Salomon.
In the courts, I take it easy. You know? No, you see? Now the camera look good because of the lighting. Oh boy. Jesus, such a bossy. Yeah, my friend. Yeah. Watch her face. Them like it. Feel good? It feel good?
I want your reaction. He melted away. So wake up already.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it feel good. Yeah, man. I said to you, yeah, it feel good. Now, first of all, baby Psynos can't eat tonight. I think going out on one fly kick. No, man, she has eat a ground. No, sir. Oh, this is for mommy Psynos. She can't move. Yeah, man. This will be nice streamer chair. I love this for a streamer chair. Yeah, my personal look familiar. Huh? Wait, you see some? Want to see somebody? Okay, that one there. But take people, Sheri Psynos money. Your favorite printer. Your ugly face. Sorry, I be a trouble I get today. You know what I mean? Yo, that bad. Yeah, that bad. Yeah. Yeah. Some people are quotes, some seller people. Take a people, Kashika Kong, a Kashika Kasha, whatever you want to name. Take my wife money. And when the woman bed broke, you know how to fix it. Suspect running, you shape like L. I'm done you. Yeah? Eh? What name? Tell me again what name. Calling name on it. What woman name? What name again?
No.
What's your name?
We don't know.
The lady?
No, we don't know her name.
Kashika, Koshka, whatever you want name. Yeah? I truly know one. Let me start giving myself trouble, guys. Let me speak English in here. Why this look so? Jesus. So we're there, we're there upstairs. Oh, sir. Oh, God. Watch out. Okay, yeah, in a bed, firing. I like it. I bet I can go on. I bet that no man is stiff my back at me. I never saw them. Yo, that one never work. No, sure. That one never work. That one is strain my left side. Yeah, man, it's tough. That's why I strained it a while ago. No, man. No, man. This for my mother tough foot. And my mother must sleep on that one. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, personal.
But it's not dark, you know.
It's durable. You have to test that, you know. Let's say, yo, let me test that one. Miss Psynos. Where are access to for? What you be today?
Yeah.
Jesus, yo. Let's see other one. Hey, yo, me like that one called teeth. That one you feel nice. Let me test that one now. No, man, me like that one. Yeah, that one called 3 o'clock in the morning, baby. You need me? Come test that one here. Bessie, no, that one I call Vibes Cartel on the floor. Let me test that one now. See that one? You see that one look pretty? Look nice. Look nice. No could test. No. That one here. That one here. No man, that one here tough. You call it firmament. Oh yeah, for your style. Yeah. You know what I mean? I walk on toll in here. I Jaden people and run. No, yo, look on this. Look on this black boy. Watch out. Bestie, see that? Oh, with speaker in it. Hold on. Let me see something. Hold on. Make I test something. Watch out. Yep. Miss, I can plug in the TV. Bestie, plug in that TV there for me. See there. See my TV there. 55. 4-inch. I like that one there. Yo, this nice. No, man, I take it off, man. I got manners. Don't come on my carpet with your shoes. You can't do that. Watch it. That one there. Miss, I can plug in my TV. Cash it. Yo, plug in my TV now. Yo, I be a trouble. What this? What this? And I'm gonna leave it remove it down. So now I'm feel. No, that me not feel the leather in that one there. That cow there not leather in. Yo, this bad. See another one. Let me come out here.
You aggressive?
They don't got any. I forgot go active or
No, see it here now.
they active for the
A lie. Jesus, temporary pediatric. Test it out, test it out. Watch. Oh God, it's all this sweet. Baby, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. What you want to do? Let's bounce along. Jesus. You get arthritis in your back, man. No, man. No, man. Bestie tried twist a while ago. What I want to call when you just move in your first house? Say, I try a thing. Oh, nobody call on you. I don't know what you're talking about. Watch out there back on me. Yo.
The chairs I want.
Yo.
Them got active on Bodon.
Watch out man back of me. Sorry. Watch man back of me. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
You rang him?
The man cock up on our people and come for make me do it. Suspect running, black man in a car.
Doors closing.
Oh my.
Wait till you see the.
Going down.
No.
You can't take me anywhere. A lie, it talk. Order pizza, Domino's. Large. One. Oh wow, this is so top here. Jesus Christ. Well, go back up there. 14. Look at yourself. Sure, bring it. Auntie, I don't want nothing. Myself vlog world, it's been a day. A pure trouble me give my people them place. They must run me out. They must run me out in here. But anyway, vlog world, we'll move on to the next stop right now. My mouth dry, me thirsty.
Guess where it is, guys?
Where we
It's
going?
my happy place.
Yeah! Happy place. How we are get that? Look what Miss Psynos give me. If you ever squeeze out rag, let me chase you. Suspect running. I'm done here now. Yo, look what Miss Psynos give me.
Really?
Miss Psynos give me like, you know, when you barely put little water in your mouth, you spit it out back at that amount that she give me. But anyway, we'll move on to another location now. So more trouble? Yeah, so and now them are going to put we out of Fontana. Watch ya. Me I go ban. Oh my God! Oh Christmas tree, why you always are taller than me? Oh Hactigan, my girl you long. Oh my God, why you see? Yo, run that. Run that. Yo, it's the Bounty Killer representing for Fontana and Donna, the tree running. Yeah, the James, Cross, Hungry. Me, I'm gone now. Let me stop. Let me put it back. It's cool though. I like it. That's a giant.
What Croft say? Look like giant. So. Get that one here. Which one you prefer? This one.
Which one you prefer, guys? Answer. This is. Wow, this is nice. Happy holidays. That's emotional. Oh God. That nice. No, she can't hold it. Hey, wait. Miss, where do? Take it out of your pocket. Take it out of your pocket. Security! Take it out of your dress. Take it out, Miss Psynos. I be her damn thing. I go.
I had to do that beside her.
Take it out. I'll be a trouble again. Oh, sorry, God. Sheri brought me some, say you couldn't hold it. I'll be a trouble, you know. You couldn't hold it. You see, I run back. You know, say you betray me. Hey, bestie, I'll be a trouble again. Yo. She said, why me have to drop this old lady? She knows some no business. Did you know? Yo.
Oh, nice.
Where you say I love her?
What is a patchouli?
What?
What is a patchouli?
Where's that? Is that soldier?
It's aroma.
Is that soldier we walk around?
Vanilla.
You know what I mean? Is that soldier we walk around?
So them don't have
Them a
I
look
guess
for
this one
things.
palms, yeah. Make you see patchouli.
You can be a 2 drip out time. I'm try it in a mine. A 4 drip. It's 4 times you drip, right? Take up 1, 2, 3, 4. How much for?
No, this is the price that they are saying.
What?
Free.
The reason why the price is not there, Jesus, let me ask. Oh no, you're right. It's not that. Oh, that no bad. That, see it here. No find it. On a budget. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
What that?
Oh wow, look on this. Look on this. Flame aroma diffuser. Yo, let's who come back. Look on this. It's bad. Look on this.
Yeah, that
Yo,
one nice.
this look bad.
Get
Wait,
cheap.
where is it?
And it's smooth.
Put it back. Wi-Fi.
He needs some milk.
Guys, there's a story behind it, alright? There's a whole story behind it.
Me not take you out. Yo, trust me, bestie. You know, say that gift here. Me I wonder what it is. This, you know what this look like? Ladies.
I appreciate it. Thanks for offering.
Yeah. 2 for 1 Jinx, my friend. Spirulina, peanut butter, Magnum front end lift. Friend, you want nothing to buy? You what? What is it, man? I have the real link. Spirulina Magnum front end lift. If it not work, link me. I lie. Laka, taya mala. Atalama, yeah, that one I want. Don't. Yo, we need to bring one of that in my mother room and shake it up and just start going with that. Yeah? Sorry. I like dance. Fudgy! Fudgy! Ice cream, nutty butty, everything, man. I never know what's everything, you know, whipped cream and everything, and that. Fudgy! Fudgy! I'm stop. I just be a trouble I feel live life. I can't bother, I'm stressed out. You see how bills I?
Paw Patrol.
You're a little ass.
Thanks, I always knew that. You know, so from a print, I always know something. I have a confession, guys. Let me. First day I met my wife, she told me I'm an ass. Oh,
They're very nice to you.
we look alike though.
Lord Jesus Christ, nice to you.
Not me, you. Your favorite one, yeah.
Oh God, did you not think two are black like the same? Ready?
It's been ready. Turn around.
Back dog. Don't play with me, youth. What's your wish? What's your wish, youth?
$1 million by a morning.
She want a man.
She wants some.
And that she said?
$1 million by a morning. Me take him man though. Me take him man. If you want $1 million.
Call Derek.
No.
I am Wingerman. If you need me every day, call upon me so I can save you. But if a gunman come, guess what? Me say vlog world, me see one muscle man a while ago. One musclers. What you call musclers?
You see
Know me? A lie. Oh my God. Yo, me say. Vlogger, me say a muscle as a while ago.
Which celebrity that?
Mama thick. Yo, me no know if it's a man, a woman, a human, a alien, a ETC, a CTV, a HRV, a BRV, or a Sirenta or one Sportage. Me have to run. I couldn't fight that, but you know David and the Goliath? In other movie, me lose. Me in other one, yeah, David lose. I was the David me a run. Me have to make sure Psynos and Miss Psynos walk in front of me. Push all the emergency button for King Alarm and in a work from so far. Far. Me I say help. Mama look at me a while ago with a piece of face, his mouth long like the Lacoste crocodile. Yo, you know the crocodile for the Lacoste? Your man, his mouth long, man. Yo, when Mama look at me, I hear the song, I say, you know, don't grind me. First thing, you know, boy like me, but just go to the left, and I left.
Love I take over the city, no more of the iniquity. Girl, them a come out and you're the one that them look cute and pretty. Me and me virgin.